No, ma'am, I'm fine.
Oh,
Get
I like
three wishes.
I like the ornaments on the ceiling. Those are pretty. You see the ornaments up here on the ceiling?
Genie coming out of the lamp.
Uh-huh. That's a nice looking, what is it, Taj Mahal or whatever?
We're getting ready to get to the part that's full of bats.
Roll the windows up quick.
Look, actually,
Looks like a waterfall in
lava.
lava.
Uh-huh.
Dinosaurs.
There's dinosaurs over here too. One with a gold horn. That one's eating the grass.
Look at the crystals up here. White crystals.
Is the heat turned down back there? Yeah, we're fine.
Oh, it's snowing. Look at the snow coming out.
White Christmas.
Uh-huh.
Terry, that's those ornaments. Those things that looks like it's dripping.
Oh, it is. You're right.
From the ceiling?
Yes.
Somebody has them in New Albany and they're blue.
Yeah, they're so pretty. The blue just cascades down.
Here comes Santa.
They're LED.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're on a string.
Santa's a skiing there.
Snowflakes are pretty.
This is a good exercise for our neck. Do like
They are pretty. They're all those snowflakes are exactly the same.
Welcome to Louisville.
Okay.
Louisville.
And the lights are blinking. I didn't know if that was just...
Here's the Grinch. There's the little moons.
Cindy Lou. Oh, and look, there's the sleigh with all the toys from Whoville. These are pretty trees.
That's simple too.
Uh-huh. Yep, a single, like a maypole.
We'll trim up some cedar trees and just attach the lights to the top and let them sparkle.
Yeah. This one with blue and white is pretty.
Yes, it is. I like the solid white.
Yeah. Nice and simple. Okay, there's Dr. Seuss.
Donkey.
That's pretty. That like a just colored lights blinking.
Ooh, look. Stop a second. Look back there. You see a bulldozer. Sure, he said the real
It's like being
bulldozer.
in Mammoth Cave.
Real bulldozer.
I don't think Mammoth Cave's this big.
I don't think
I've never been down here before, but I've been in Mammoth Cave, and
it doesn't seem
once
like
you get
this.
to go through, I mean...
Oh, I like the blue. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, looks like it's coming out of the ceiling, doesn't it? Pretty the way they did that.
Oh, it's a seal, an elephant.
A,
There's another seal.
a flamingo.
Yes, they're all playing in the water. Looks like the sea's splashing.
Yeah. Hippopotamus. Ooh, look at these big lights.
Really?
it's like an egg.
These are sort of like what is on the teacock, isn't it?
And this is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is it.
Well, it's right at 4:30. 4:33.
We've been that long in here?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Can we do it again?
Turn around, turn around.
Can we do it again?
Nobody's at the
We
back.
back up. Or do we go that way?
Yeah.
Because we didn't see that, did we?
Does it say
That's
that?
where you come in, dude.
That's the entrance.
Yeah, there's those little shacks there, whatever. Where that's where they're scanning their thing.
Yeah.
No.
No, there's a cone in the way.
Oh,
That's all.
look, the curtains pulled back. There's stuff.
Traffic is backing up.
Yeah.
Man. I thought it was longer.
How did Ms. Claus tell Santa Claus the weather? It looks like reindeer.
How did Mr.
It's
There's a zoo right overhead.
It's like rain.
Probably
It
way
was back there,
Rain,
son. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It does go underneath the zoo.
Okay.
We've probably only seen a quarter of this tunnel.
Tornis, a family
It's much
kit.
big. I mean, it's much bigger than this.
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.